guys, let's pick a number for Infinix Smart 10. Can you see the number? What number? I can close my eyes. Number 100. 100. My picks in my wallet is 100. Hi guys. 20. Please give me money and not report me. Give me money, please. 60. I don't know. You give me my money. Oh yes. I don't know. 20. Sixty. 40. 80. So 100. 120. And Hungarian. 20. No, I don't know. 100. Thank you. And I can buy is Infinix Smart 10. Please give me my money or no. I don't know. Bye. And 100. 50. My pick 50. 50. I can buy Infinix Smart 8. Please give me my money. I don't know. Please give me money. I don't know. Bye.